Hello everyone, welcome to Educare 247. We are starting a new series, Economic and Financial Issues. This series is based on the current affairs related to economy and finance. It will be useful for all the regulatory body examination. With the help of this series, you can solve the current affairs related problem, descriptive questions. Also, it will be useful for essay writing. So this series is going to be very useful series. In the first lecture, we are discussing about the MSME. Is it a new growth engine for the export? Recently, NITI Aayog has released a report on MSME stating that boosting exports from MSME. NITI Aayog report was covered by all the important newspapers, so question can be asked from this important report. In this report, NITI Aayog gave certain recommendation to the government how export can be boosted with the help of MSME industries. Before going into the detail of this recommendation, let's understand about the MSME industry, and question can be asked directly from this MSME industry. MSME is the backbone of Indian economy. It is very important for employment generation, industrial production and overall economic growth. It provides 11 crore jobs and responsible for 27% of the GDP. Out of total manufacturing, 38% come from the MSME industry. It contributes 45% in India's total exports. You can see the impact of MSME industry. It is huge. Without that, Indian economy cannot function. Now let us understand the definition of MSME. Two parameters being used to define the MSME industry: investment and the annual turnover. Remember that. It is very important. For micro industries, the investment should be less than 1 CR and the annual turnover should be less than 5 CR. For a small industry, the investment should be less than 10 CR and the annual turnover should be less than 50 CR. For medium industry, the investment should be less than 50 CR and the annual turnover should be less than 250 CR. According to NSS data, in India, total 6.3 crore micro industries are there and 3.3 lakh small industries are there and 5,000 medium industries are there. But according to Udyam data, MSME registration data, 1.5 CR micro industries are there, which means almost 4.8 crore industries have not registered as MSME. So this gap is also there. You have to remember and understand these things. This is very important, this definition. Direct question can be asked from this definition. Educare 247 offers MCQ course on paper 2 for SEBI graded 2024 examination. This course is important for phase 1 and phase 2 both the examination. In this course, entire syllabus of paper 2 will be covered. Topic wise MCQs will be provided and detailed explanation for every questions will be there. 4,000 plus MCQs will be covered and live session will be conducted for all the important chapters for paper 2. The price for this course is 1499. You can visit our website educare247.in and subscribe to this course. Very soon we are launching the course for RBI grade B and NABARD grade A and grade B examination. Let us discuss the challenges faced by MSME sector. The most difficult challenge they face is financial constraint, or you can call it access to credit. In spite of all the government efforts, only 16% MSME can get the timely credit. Banks and NBFC do not prefer giving loan to these MSME. Why? Because 86% of manufacturing MSME is not registered. Only 1.1 crore MSME have GST bills. They don't have the document and banks need these documents to underwrite the loan. They think they don't have the money, that's why they are not registering, and bank think they don't have the document, that's why they will not give the money. It's chicken egg problem. It's very difficult to come out from these cycles. The another challenge they face is lack of innovation. Most of the MSME still operate with outdated technology. They don't innovate, so their product quality is also not very good. So these are the challenges faced by MSME. Please remember that it will be very useful in descriptive questions. Also direct question can be asked in phase 2 examination. Let's discuss the important recommendation of the NITI Aayog report. They have suggested that there should be a single information portal for the exporters. It should be called National Trade Portal. We should use AI technology to give the real-time data access to the exporters, and all the data related to market tariff, paper requirements, financial sources, service providers, potential customers should be there in a single portal so that exporters' life will be easy. Another important recommendation they have given is annual financial reconciliation process. The exporters who sends good via e-commerce, their account should be annually reconciled and they should be exempted on import duties for returns and rejected product. So this is very important. Also, they have suggested that government should create a green channel clearance for e-commerce exporters. The most important recommendation in my opinion they have given is promotion of export credit guarantee. We have just discussed about the problem faced by MSME related to credit. So what they have suggested, government should highlight the export credit guarantee scheme and current uptake should go from 10% to 50%. That is very important. So remember these recommendations. You can use these recommendations in writing essays or descriptive answer. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you and happy learning.